giving up a little bit earlier on that car. Definitely. I definitely would say, you know what, enough's enough. After I realized that, after Chevy told me basically, hey, we can't even figure out what's wrong with this thing. After I had 3 mechanics tell me that, I should have been like, all right, you know what? Yes, I still owed it at the time, but I should have been like, let's just leave it, stop spending money on it, and figure it out. I don't know, like get another like cheap $3,000 car like I did in the COVID hit, and stop sinking more money into that car because it was just too late pit at that time.